Pad Krapow Gai, Thai basil chicken. Ingredients. For the eggs: 4 teaspoons oil, 4 eggs. For the chicken: 1/4 cup chicken broth, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 teaspoons sugar, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 medium shallot, minced, 6-8 cloves garlic, minced, 4-5 Thai chilies, finely minced, depending on your spice tolerance, 2 large chicken breasts, cut into 1/2 inch cubes, large handful of fresh Thai basil, reserve a few leaves for garnishing. To serve: 2 cups steamed white rice. Instructions. Frying the eggs. In a large wok or frying pan, add 1 teaspoon vegetable oil and heat over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, crack an egg into the oil and let it fry up for about 2-3 minutes, or until it's cooked to your liking. Remove the egg and transfer to a clean plate. Repeat with the remaining eggs. Set aside. Cooking the basil chicken. In a small bowl, whisk together the chicken broth, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, and 2 teaspoons sugar. Set aside. Using the same wok, turn up the heat to high and add in the 2 tablespoons oil. Add in the shallots, garlic, and Thai chilies and quickly stir fry until fragrant, about 1 minute. Next, add in the cubed chicken and continue to stir fry for another 2-3 minutes. Pour in the chicken broth liquid and toss to coat all of the chicken. Be sure to scrape the bottom of the wok to remove any sticky brown bits that are full of flavor. When most of the chicken broth has evaporated, turn off the heat and add in a large handful of Thai basil. Stir to incorporate the basil into the chicken as the residual heat will continue to wilt the basil. Remove from heat. Serve the Thai basil chicken with fresh hot steamed rice, and a fried egg. Garnish with additional basil leaves. Best served hot.